Has dismissed a consolidated petition pitting former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua against the National Assembly, paving the way for a substantive appeal on the legality of the High Court bench that heard his impeachment case. Paul Kirobi tells us more.
In its ruling, the Supreme Court dismissed an application by Rigathi Gachagua, citing that upon consideration of the consolidated applications, the court lacked jurisdiction to stay proceedings before the High Court. The judges held that the Supreme Court can only stay proceedings before the Court of Appeal, not the High Court. The decision now clears the way for the substantive appeal to be heard and determined on its merits.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
The court also dismissed a separate application by the National Assembly, which had sought to strike out Gachagua's cross-appeal.
Excellency, you have been advised by your lawyers.
In a ruling delivered by a 5-judge bench led by Chief Justice Martha Koome, the court rejected Gachagua's application, seeking to halt ongoing High Court proceedings, strike out the National Assembly's appeal, and expunge documents from the record of appeal. A key issue before the court was the decision by the Deputy Chief Justice to empanel a High Court bench in the absence of the Chief Justice. Gachagua had challenged the legality of that empanelment and later sought the recusal of the judges, citing alleged bias. The High Court dismissed both challenges, a decision that was partially overturned by the Court of Appeal. The Appellate Court ruled that the power to empanel judges under Article 165(4) of the Constitution is an exclusive function of the Chief Justice, exercisable by the Deputy Chief Justice only in exceptional and clearly demonstrated circumstances. The impeachment motion against Gachagua was introduced in the National Assembly by Kibwezi West Member of Parliament Mwengi Mutuse and passed with the support of 281 lawmakers, surpassing the constitutional threshold. The Senate later upheld the impeachment, paving the way for the nomination and eventual swearing in of Professor Kithure Kindiki as Deputy President. Paul Kirobi, TV 47.